Step into the year 2045. Your house isn't just walls and a roof. It's an AI-powered guardian. Imagine your home not just as a shelter, but as a fortress that thinks. With climate threats intensifying, from unpredictable flash floods to extreme heat waves, can our traditional homes truly protect us? The answer, increasingly, is no. These events are not only becoming more common, but the repair costs and insurance claims are skyrocketing. But what if your home could see a threat coming? This is where AI changes everything. We're talking about a system that predicts maintenance needs before they become disasters and autonomously reinforces your home against natural disasters. It's not just about smart thermostats. It's about creating living spaces that are intelligent, responsive, and virtually indestructible. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's the future of home resilience, and it's happening now. Stick around to see how. Have you ever worried if your home could withstand what the future holds? I'm not just talking about a leaky roof or a drafty window. I'm talking about the big stuff. The unpredictable, intense weather events that seem to be hitting harder and more often every year. Flash floods, raging wildfires, and extreme heat waves are no longer just news headlines. They're becoming a reality for many of us. Our traditional homes, built for a different era, are struggling to keep up. Now, imagine a different kind of home. Not just a shelter, but a fortress that thinks. A guardian that anticipates danger and acts before you even know there's a problem. This isn't science fiction. This is the future of living, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Welcome to the world of AI-powered home resilience, where your house doesn't just protect you from the elements, it proactively defends you. Let's dive into the core problem. Today's homes are mostly reactive. The storm hits, the damage is done, and then we scramble to fix it. The costs are staggering. We're talking about billions of dollars in repairs and skyrocketing insurance premiums. It's a cycle of damage and repair that is becoming unsustainable. And it's not just about the weather. Our homes are getting smarter, filled with connected devices. But this convenience comes with a risk: cybersecurity. A simple hack could compromise your locks, your cameras, your entire home system. The very technology meant to make life easier could become a major vulnerability. This is where AI changes the game. Think of it as the central nervous system of your home. It's constantly learning, analyzing, and predicting. Let's start with structural integrity. AI systems can be integrated with a network of tiny, embedded sensors throughout your home's foundation, walls, and roof. These sensors are constantly monitoring for microscopic stress fractures, changes in soil moisture, or shifts in the structure that are completely invisible to the human eye. The AI analyzes this constant stream of data. It knows the difference between a house settling normally and the early warning signs of foundation damage from an impending flood. Before a hurricane makes landfall, the AI has already analyzed its projected wind speed and direction. It might then automatically trigger a series of actions, deploying storm shutters, reinforcing weak points by tensioning smart materials embedded in the walls, or even sealing off low-level vents to prevent water ingress. It's like having an engineer on-site 24/7, making sure your home is in peak condition to face the storm. Now let's talk about wildfires, a terrifying threat for so many communities. An AI-resilient home would have exterior sensors that can detect airborne embers or a rapid rise in external temperature long before the flames are visible. If it detects a threat, it doesn't just sound an alarm. It activates an external sprinkler system that douses the roof and surrounding landscape, creating a protective moisture barrier. It would also automatically seal all exterior vents to prevent smoke and embers from entering the house, protecting your indoor air quality and preventing internal fires from starting. This isn't just an alarm. It's an active, intelligent defense system. And what about those scorching heat waves? Instead of just blasting the AC and watching your energy bill go through the roof, an AI system manages your home's climate with incredible efficiency. It learns your family's routines. It knows when you're home and when you're away. It analyzes real-time weather forecasts and even electricity pricing from the grid. During the coolest parts of the day, it might pre-cool the house. It will automatically lower smart blinds on the sun-facing side of the house to block solar heat gain. By intelligently managing every aspect of your home's climate control, it keeps you comfortable while dramatically reducing energy consumption and strain on the power grid. This proactive approach extends to everyday maintenance, which is a huge part of resilience. No more surprise breakdowns. The AI listens to the hum of your HVAC system, monitors the water flow in your pipes, and checks the electrical draw of your appliances. It can predict when a component is about to fail. You wouldn't get a sudden breakdown. You'd get a notification on your phone saying, the compressor in the air conditioner is showing signs of wear. It has a 95% chance of failing in the next 3 to 4 weeks. Would you like me to schedule a technician? This predictive maintenance saves you from costly emergency repairs and ensures your home's essential systems are always reliable. Let's circle back to that cybersecurity issue. A dedicated home AI acts as a digital watchdog. It monitors all network traffic in your smart home, learning the normal patterns of your devices. If it detects an unusual request, say, your smart fridge trying to access your security cameras, it immediately flags it as a potential threat. It can isolate the compromised device from the rest of your network, preventing the breach from spreading, and alerts you instantly. It's like having a top-tier cybersecurity team living inside your router, constantly updating its defenses against the latest digital threats. So what does a day in the life of an AI-powered home look like? You wake up, and the home has already adjusted the temperature based on the forecast. As you leave for work, it enters an energy-saving mode. While you're gone, it detects a minor pressure drop in a water pipe and alerts you to a potential leak, even shutting off the water to that section of the house to prevent damage. A storm is forecast for the afternoon, so the home charges its integrated battery system from its solar panels in the morning when the sun is out, ensuring you have power even if the grid goes down. When the storm hits, the shutters deploy automatically. You return to a home that is safe, comfortable, and has been protecting itself all day. This isn't about filling our homes with more gadgets or talking robots. It's about creating a truly symbiotic relationship between our living spaces and technology. It's about building homes that are not just smart, but wise. Homes that are living, breathing ecosystems designed to protect us, adapt to our needs, and stand strong against the challenges of tomorrow. The technology is evolving at an incredible pace, and what seems futuristic today will be the standard for a safe and secure home tomorrow. The peace of mind that comes from knowing your home is actively looking out for you is truly priceless. The future of housing isn't just about bigger spaces or fancier designs. It's about resilience. It's about building with intelligence, creating homes that can think, predict, and protect. The AI-powered home is the next evolution in our quest for safety and security. Thanks so much for watching and exploring this vision of the future with me. If you found this fascinating, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more deep dives into the technology that's shaping our world. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What AI feature would you want in your home first? Stay safe, and see you in the next video.